In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your BeeHiiv referral code and start using it to earn from the platform. First, make sure you're logged into your BeeHiiv account. Open your browser and go to your BeeHiiv dashboard. This is the main screen you see after signing in, where you usually manage your newsletters, subscribers, and settings. Give it a moment to load and confirm that you're in the correct workspace if you have access to more than one. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the section or menu item labeled Partner Dashboard. Depending on your screen size, this might be in the main navigation on the left, across the top, or under a profile or settings menu. Click on Partner Dashboard to open BeeHiiv's partner or affiliate area. This is where you'll manage everything related to referrals and earnings. On the Partner Dashboard page, you'll see a section that asks, "What best describes you?" with a drop-down menu underneath. Click on the drop-down that says Select an option. This step helps BeeHiiv understand how you plan to promote them. For example, whether you're a creator, an agency, or another type of partner. From the list that appears, choose the option that best matches how you'll be using and promoting BeeHiiv. Don't stress too much over this choice. Just pick the one that fits you most closely. This helps keep their partner program organized, but it won't usually limit how you can share your link. Next, you'll see a checkbox asking you to confirm that you accept and agree to the partner terms of service. Before you tick that box, it's a good idea to quickly review the terms so you understand things like payout rules, what kind of promotion is allowed, and how your referrals are tracked. Once you're comfortable with the terms, click the checkbox to agree. Now, click the button that says Join Partner Program. This submits your information and activates your partner account. The page will refresh or redirect, and once that's complete, you're officially part of the BeeHiiv Partner Program. You should now see your unique referral link right on the screen. This is your BeeHiiv referral code, usually presented as a shareable link. You'll also notice options like Share and Earn, and a dashboard where you can track clicks, signups, and conversions. From here, you can copy your link, share it with your audience, and monitor your results directly inside the partner